September 8th, 2017. This is John from Betty Nicks Bait and Tackle, Seaside Park, New Jersey. And BettyNicks.com with your daily boating, fishing, weather conditions report. Got some surf today. Light west wind. Still clean and green. Good white water. Probably the best time today would be low tide. I think we got the incoming high now. I think the high is around 9:17. Good time to fish today would be on the outgoing. And if this, like I said, if this keeps up, fall is here because it's gorgeous. It was in the low 50s this morning. The high is going to be in the low 70s today. Absolutely perfect is what you want. Few guys fishing.